Hey guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is very well and enjoying our sunshine. Although today's a little bit overcast, it's still really hot. So I thought today we would do my second box of June unboxing of Stitch Fix. For those of you that do not know, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription. You get 5 garment items. This will cost £10. That is a styling fee. You can fill out a short profile saying your likes and dislikes. You can also say whether you'd like to receive shoes, handbags, accessories, jewellery. I don't want to receive any of that. I have more than enough shoes, handbags, jewellery pieces, and I really don't need any more. So the £10 that you pay, if you keep any of your items, that would come off. If you decide that you keep nothing, you pop them in the return envelope, send it back, and you lose out on your £10, unfortunately. What else can I tell you? I will leave a discount code somewhere in my description. That will give you 15% off your first box, which is always handy. I always say, if you guys want to check the subscription out, then pop along to the Stitch Fix website and it does literally tell you everything on there. You have 3 days to try your box and see if you like the items. If you know within 3 days, great. But if you want a little bit longer to check out, I think they allow you up to like 3 weeks to do that, which is a great service. So shall we get on with the unboxing and see what I've got this time? So it comes in a box like this. Inside, this is your return envelope that I was telling you about. You also get, oh, where's my paperwork? Oh, there it is. You get some paperwork, which I always leave to the end, and a bundle, which I can see a little bit of colour in there, which I did request, some summer clothing items. So shall we have a look and see what I've got? Also, just to let you know that inside the box, on one of the flaps, it tells you the things you need to do, how to do it, where to do it. So everything is written on that. So let me just paper because it makes a racket. Okay, so the first item I see is a white little top, very pretty. Not sure if this is my thing. I'm not sure about the, I don't know, what do they call this? Pendulum or something? Yeah, you guys know what I mean, right? The frilly bit at the bottom. I just find carrying a little bit extra weight, that can sometimes emphasise, depending on where this falls. If it's quite a long top, it will fall perfectly. If it's a short top, I do find that gathering around the bottom can emphasise. But failing that, I do like it. I think it's quite cute. The back has got plain, like a t-shirt material. And this is, I'm guessing that is quite see-through. So yeah, you probably need to wear a little tank or something underneath it if you didn't want to show your bra off. Okay, I'm not raving about it, but you need to try it on first. Second little outfit, second item is, it's like another top. This is a black top. This is pretty. It's a Bodo off your shoulder type, and it has got straps here, pretty lacing at the front, if you can just see that. So that is very pretty. Would probably find that as something I would wear and reach for, and I like this one over the white one. Okay, second garment is a dress. This is like a t-shirt dress. Obviously it's blue with a white striping. It's got sleeves that I do like. It also has pockets that are usable. I say this is probably like a maxi length. It's got a little bit of stretch, but not a lot. My thoughts on this is, I quite like this. This is something that would be easy to throw on. I'd probably wear this with something like a denim jacket, maybe some light white trainers or something for a very ultimate casual, easy to wear look. So I think I kind of like forward to trying that on, and it's not something that I own, which is even better. Oh, and just to let you know guys, it just has slits at the sides. Okay, so we'll try that on to see what it looks like. And then we have a black cardigan that looks about 5 sizes too small for me, although it's quite stretchy. I know straight away this is probably not something I'm going to keep. I don't want any jumpers, cardigans or whatever. My wardrobe is full of winter items. I'm particularly looking for summer. So that's probably a no. I'll still try it on. And last but not least, we have I say that was a snake print dress. It's got a tie-up belt. It's quite flowy. It has buttons going all the way down. They are real buttons with a little collar. I mean, it's okay. It's not screaming at me, buy me. But I think this is one that you need to try on, which could possibly change my mind. So that's all the 5 pieces of clothing that I got. I'm going to pause this, pop along, try this stuff out, see what we think. See you in a minute. Bye. Hi guys, so here we are with the little black top. What are we thinking? I do feel like it's a little tiny bit too big, and I noticed that in between sort of putting it on and actually recording, these straps are kind of loose and falling down. And this bit here is quite big as well, but I really do like this. Detail on it is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. It's like a t-shirt material, maybe a little bit thicker, but it's nice and comfortable. There's lots of room in it, and I guess you could pair this with quite a lot. I teamed it up with my own little skirt. I can't remember actually where I got this from, with a little pair of sandals. I think it's really chic, it's easy, it's fun to wear, and I actually quite like this combination outfit. So it's a thumbs up, I think, with this shirt. You'll have to let me know what you think, whether I need to size down. Right, 5 secs and I'll be back in a minute. Hi guys, so here we are with the second top. This is the little white one. This is a thumbs down for me. I don't know what your guys are seeing, but what I'm seeing is a top that is quite big for me. As I stated, I do not like this bit here. I just feel like a fairy on a Christmas tree. Basically, I don't feel like it does anything for my figure. Maybe it's a skirt. Maybe I shouldn't have paired it with this skirt, but I was pretty sure that I wasn't that keen on it, and having tried it on, I mean, I like this bit and I like the sleeves, and if it's a size smaller and without this detail in here, it would have been probably a thumbs up, but I'm afraid this is not my style, although it is very pretty. It's a thumbs down. Sorry guys. Okay, 2 secs and I'll be back with the next outfit. Hi guys, back with the 4th outfit now. This is the snake print maxi dress. Okay guys, what do you think of this? My first issue is I'm not keen on showing all of my upper arm off. This is too high. Don't like the collar. I'd rather have a round crew neck. I just feel like it's like, whoa. I just want to like, yeah. I also feel like the waist area where this belt should sit is too high. I don't know if you guys can see, but there is like a banding around the whole of the waist. So this, in my opinion, should probably sit about here. And I've no idea what to do with this. I like the principle of it. And I probably like this if it was like a skirt, because it's not too flowy. Now, to be in fair to my stylist's defence, I did ask for snake print, and I did ask for grey and black snake print. So she's delivered on that respect. I'm just not feeling the whole design of this dress. I don't know, you guys might feel differently. Obviously let me know what you think. Right, okay. I'll be back with the last and final outfit. Hi guys, so we're back with the final outfit. What do you think of this, guys? This is like it's a rather thick t-shirt material. I think this is quite flattering on, and I wasn't sure about the stripes, but having put it on, it's an easy wear, sling it on. I wouldn't necessarily pair it with these sandals. I have them on, so why not? And I don't own any. I'll probably pair this with like a pair of white trainers or something, just to give that more casual, edgy look. Do like this, got usable pockets in it. I think it fits okay. I think the next size up probably would have drowned me. But I do feel it could maybe a little snug on my hips here. As usual, guys, let me know what you think. This is probably, I don't know, I'm split between the black top and this dress, which is like my favourite pieces. So, okay, well, I'm going to take this off and I will be back and we'll discuss pricing. So, see you soon. Hi guys, so back with the final part of my video. As you know, we always talk about pricing and my thoughts on this particular stitch fix. Just a couple of shout outs though. I would like to thank Denisa R, Ellen J and Rachel P. Shout out to them because they actually used my discount link, so I received £15. So altogether I've got a £35 credit to go towards this stitch fix. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it so much. It just helps me to continue to do these videos. And my next shout out goes to Bella's Buggy Bags. She was the first to comment on my TLM foundation. Thank you so much, Bella, and I appreciate your support. You always comment and you're just amazing. All my subscribers are amazing and I just love the fact that you do get involved and you will engage with me. So big thumbs up. Okay, so let's have a look at these prices. So for those of you who don't know, you get a little white envelope and in that white envelope comes your paperwork. You always get styling cards with Stitch Fix to try and pair whatever they send you with things in your wardrobe. I do have a note and this stylist, her name is called Verity. I'm not going to read it all out, but leave in the comments whether you would like me to read the letters out that they write you. And on the back of this, it's just to say that, excuse me, if I invite my friends, I get £15 on my next fix and you get £15 credit too. So it's always worth using the link, which you will find in my description. So that's that one. And then the all important woohoo invoice. So let's have a look. So the first item is by Warehouse. This is the striped pocket t-shirt midi dress, size 16, and it costs £32. So my thoughts on this, it's very comfortable to wear. I'm not too sure whether I felt it was a little bit snug on my hip area, so I will need to play back and have a look. It is very thick though. You know, this reminds me of like maybe autumn material. You know, it's good quality, it's very thick, but I have to say I couldn't wait to get it off. I felt so hot in it. So I'm not sure whether that's a keeper. Guys, let me know what you think. I think this would look so cute with a little denim jacket and maybe some like white pumps or something to wear with that. So I'm kind of on the fence for that one, guys. Next, this is the white peplum. Peplum, that's the word I was trying to say. This is by Jules. It's a primrose broderie jersey mixed peplum. This is a size 16. This is £39.95. I did find this is a little bit too big. I do feel like it's huge. I love this part of it, but I'm not keen on the bottom area. I didn't like it. I don't feel like, I feel like I need the next size down on this to, I don't know, I just felt really huge in it, like quite boxy and didn't really do anything for me. Again, guys, you might see something that I don't, but I can't say I'm a huge fan of that one. Next was the Oasis lace trim Bardo cami. This was £29 and again size 16, which was this. I do like this. I think it's so pretty. Not sure again whether I do need it sized down, but it's pretty. I've got loads of things that I could actually wear this with. So out of everything out of the box, I'm swayed to keep this top. Again, guys, let me know what you think. Right, and then we had Warehouse. This is the snake print midi shirt dress, colour grey. And again, this is a size 16 and this was £49. So that's this one. I like this in kind of principle. I hate ironing, so I feel like I'll be constantly ironing this. I wasn't that keen on the neck area, and I wasn't keen on the fact that there's no sleevage area. Now people are going to say, well, you're wearing something without sleeves now. That's because I'm in and around the house, and this didn't cost £49. This cost me £8 from Asda. So, you know, if I'm going to spend that sort of money, it has to be 100% right. So I'm swaying towards not keeping this one. Okay. And then we had the fitted cardigan. Guys, I didn't try this on because it is so tiny that I was a little bit worried about stretching the hell out of it, and then I would have to keep it because it had gone out of shape. So, you know, I didn't try this on. I knew that I wasn't going to keep this. This is by Soaked in Luxury. They call it a fitted cardigan. It's black, it's a large, and it's $59.99, which, you know, a ridiculous price to pay for a cardigan. Now, instead of sending me this cardigan, I wish she had sent me a pair of trousers or a little skirt that I could have tried on with the black top and the white top, rather than a winter garment, which is no use nor ornament to me when I ask specifically for summer items. Okie dokie, so let's have a look. So the whole stylist picks came to £209.94. If you buy all 5, there's a discount. You get 20% discount, which is £41.99. That would take the total down to £167.95. Then you take off your £10 styling fee, take off the credit that I had of £35 thanks to 3 of my subscribers. Delivery is free, which takes the whole 5 items down to £122.95. Right, okay guys, so not sure what I'm going to do on this one. I'm a little bit, I definitely like the black top, and I'm not sure about the striped t-shirt dress. I do need your help on that. Please leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think I should do. I much appreciate your comments. I read everyone and I answer as soon as I can. So that's it. That's Stitch Fix for this month, second box. I am kind of getting them every 3rd week. So some months I guess I will get 2, other months I'll only get 1. Well, that's it for now. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to please subscribe. Please like my videos, it just helps me out a lot. And as always, please leave those beautiful comments that you tend to leave me, which is much appreciated. And if you want to see more from yours truly, click on that one or that one. And if you're not subscribed already, please hit that one. Okay, take care for now, and I'm going to speak to you very soon in the next video. Bye for now. Mwah.